Hook. Salesforce just dropped an AI agent directly inside Slack, and it doesn't just answer questions. It takes action. Books meetings, pulls CRM data, writes reports, summarizes entire channels, all without leaving a chat window. This is Salesforce throwing a haymaker at Microsoft and Google. And honestly, it might land. Intro. Hey, it's Tech Freak. So the enterprise AI war just got a whole lot more interesting. Salesforce is betting that the future of workplace AI isn't a copilot sitting inside your documents. It's an autonomous agent living inside your messaging app. And if you've ever used Slack, you already know why that's a big deal. In this one, I'm breaking down what this new Slackbot AI agent actually does, why Salesforce is making this move right now, and how you can start thinking about AI agents in your own workflow, whether you're a team of 500 or a team of 1. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I drop AI and tech breakdowns every week so you can stay ahead of this stuff without doom scrolling all day. Section 1. What is it? Alright, let's get into it. Salesforce has officially rolled out a new AI-powered agent inside Slack, built on their Agentforce platform. If you're not familiar with Agentforce, think of it as Salesforce's answer to the whole AI agent trend. Instead of a chatbot that just responds to prompts, an agent can actually do things. It can take multi-step actions across different systems. So what does this look like in practice? Imagine you're in a Slack channel with your sales team. You tag the AI agent and say, pull up the latest pipeline numbers for Q3 and summarize where we're behind. The agent reaches into Salesforce CRM, grabs the data, analyzes it, and drops a formatted summary right there in the channel. No tab switching. No logging into dashboards. No waiting for someone on the ops team to run a report. But it goes further than data retrieval. This agent can schedule meetings by checking calendars, draft follow-up emails based on conversation context, surface relevant documents from connected apps, and even trigger workflows, like creating a new support ticket or updating a deal stage, all from inside Slack. The keyword Salesforce keeps using is autonomous. They don't want you to think of this as a smarter search bar. They want you to think of it as a digital employee that sits in your Slack workspace, understands context, and executes tasks on your behalf. Now, under the hood, this is powered by Salesforce's large action model combined with Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, pulling from your company's own data inside the Salesforce ecosystem. That last part matters a lot. It means the agent isn't just hallucinating generic answers. It's grounded in your actual business data, your contacts, your deals, your support tickets, your knowledge base. Section 2. Why it matters. Here's why this is a bigger deal than just another AI feature announcement. The enterprise AI space right now is a three-way cage match between Salesforce, Microsoft, and Google, and each one is betting on a different entry point. Microsoft is pushing Copilot across the entire Microsoft 365 suite, Word, Excel, Teams, Outlook. Their thesis is simple. AI should be embedded everywhere you already work with documents and email. Google is doing something similar with Gemini inside Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Meet. Same idea, different ecosystem. Salesforce is making a fundamentally different bet. They're saying, the real center of work isn't documents. It's conversations. And Slack is where those conversations happen. If you can put an intelligent agent right in the middle of team communication, you can intercept work at the moment decisions are being made, not after the fact in a spreadsheet. And the numbers back up why this matters. Slack has over 750,000 organizations using it daily. Salesforce paid $27.7 billion to acquire Slack back in 2021, and a lot of analysts questioned that price tag. This AI agent strategy, it's Salesforce finally showing the end game for that acquisition. There's also a timing element. According to Gartner, by 2028, 33% of enterprise software applications will include agentic AI, up from less than 1% in 2024. We're right at the inflection point. Whoever establishes the default AI agent experience in enterprise, Salesforce, Microsoft, or Google, captures an enormous amount of leverage. And here's the thing that I think gets overlooked. Salesforce has a structural advantage neither Microsoft nor Google can easily replicate. They own the CRM data, the customer relationships, the deal pipelines, the support histories. That's all inside Salesforce. When their AI agent pulls data, it's pulling from the system of record for revenue. That's not something Copilot can do natively without a bunch of integrations. For sales teams, support teams, and revenue operations, this isn't a nice to have. This is the kind of tool that could genuinely compress hours